Hi everyone, I'm Sharad from Nepal, currently pursuing my PGDM at IMI Kolkata. Studying here has been a life-changing experience. Every day brings new learning, exposure and growth. Being part of such a reputed institute has helped me not only academically but also personally. Academics at IMI Kolkata strike a perfect balance between theory and practical learnings. The faculty members are supportive and experienced, and they always connect classroom lessons with real-world business scenarios. We often get to attend guest lectures by the CEOs and industry professionals, which gives us real insights into how the corporate world works. Hostel life has been an amazing part of my journey too. It's lively and full of camaraderie, a true home away from home. The mess food is delicious and diverse, offering dishes from the different parts of India. What I love most about IMI Kolkata is its diversity. Students here come from 20 plus states across India and neighboring countries, making the campus feel truly global. As a student from Nepal, I have always felt welcomed, respected and included. The institute also maintains a safe and disciplined environment. Ragging is strictly prohibited and everyone here treats each other with mutual respect. It's very positive space to learn and grow. For me, IMI Kolkata is not just a B school, it's a family. It's a place that helps you become more confident, capable and ready for the world ahead.